Let's go. We got our 3 pop on 176. Welcome back. Mass locks all day, every day. Stay consistent. Don't scramble, just gamble. Let me fix this real quick. Come on, Flying Goose. Come on, Flying Goose. You gonna do me like that, Flying Goose? It usually comes through. Anything. That's right, Flying Goose. We need some more on that money, though. Okay, Flying Goose, I see you. Oh, I seen the mini right now. Oh, whoa, that one again. Okay, 2 at a time. 2 at a time. Mass loss. Like, subscribe if you want to watch the rest of the video.